Hope you are doing well and enjoying your trading journey. The market is always full of opportunities if you know where to look. Right now, the price is at a strong support level, and we can see rejection from this area. This means buyers may take control, and the price could move up. If this level holds, we might see a strong upward move. This is the kind of trade that smart traders wait for. Now, the most important part: where to enter, where to put stop loss, and where to take profit. These details are shared in our private group. If you want to trade on your own, that's fine. But knowing how to place stop loss and spot rejection candles will make your trades much safer. If you need accurate trade signals and expert help, contact us now on WhatsApp so I can add you to the group. Don't trade alone when help is available.